Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Finally back after my 3-day weekend. Got that bloody cold that Sue had, so had a bit of a day off to recover yesterday. Starting today up here on Calais Kennedy, the VA Park there just behind the Reed's Med Player Hotel. Not one of the best, so to speak. I mean, I don't know, guys. Maybe they have not improved, because God must have been going back like 7. But
yeah, probably 7 years now.
Yeah, about 7 years since we stayed there, and
Like Marmite, that place, Marcus. Well, they love it or hate it.
yeah, as Mike just said, we had parks like Marmite. You can either love it or hate it. Some people love it. I hate it. I mean, it's not the best of hotels, I'd admit, but end of the day, I guess you get what you get, don't you? You make the most of it. For anyone who haven't heard our Rio Park experience, we had about 4 different rooms before we actually got a clean room. Like, when we went in, Scooter Sue had a black handbag, put it down on like a bedside cabinet, picked it up, and it were covered in dust. The one room, sofa bed, she lifted up the mattress. There were 3 slats missing off the mattress. So if anyone had slept on that sofa bed, they'd have just like went straight through middle. The room's been advertised on the website when we actually booked the holiday were the club rooms, which weren't available for another week. So we were like, okay, we've had problems with the rooms, put us in a club room. Oh, not possible, not possible. Club room's not ready yet. Asked if we could be transferred to Flamingo Oasis. Oh, not possible. Flamingo Oasis, too full. I get you family room. Family room, not accessible. The reps as well there, useless. Think the poor security guard was shit scared of Scooter Sue. Not to mention the fact we had food poisoning most days, and yeah, Dad made a new friend, sat eating breakfast, and the cockroach fell from the roof.
They've been refurbished since then now.
Yeah, it has been refurbished, and as I say, I'm not slagging the place off, I'm just telling you my experience. Anyway, next place coming up is a Great British Bar, great for entertainment. Tommy's Bar got some new shows on tonight. Well, one new show actually, Smart Move.
Yeah, I think they've been about for a while, Marcus, but
Oh, I've never actually heard of them.
I've heard of them,
comment down below if you've ever watched this new show. Let us know what it's like.
I don't think I've actually seen them, but yeah, I think I've been out for a while.
Anyway, just to let everyone know, guys, I might do like a super quick, super short live stream on Christmas Eve. Just sort of wishing everyone a happy Christmas. Isn't going to be too long, obviously, because I know many of you will probably just want to spend time with your family. To be quite fair, I don't even know what time to sort of do it. I'll probably have like more details sort of next week, so just stay tuned, guys. Because we are probably going to be busy on Christmas Day, I imagine. So, yeah. Anyway, talking about Christmas, hard to believe it's weekend after next. Where's time gone, eh? Seems like only the other day I was getting presents in for Sue and Mike. And here we are, couple weeks time, it'll be here. Then of course a couple more weeks after that it'll be New Year's Eve again. Jesus.
Quite, Marcus.
I'm just amazed at how fast the year's gone in, to be honest. I mean, it seems like only yesterday I'm celebrating my 21st birthday and that.
22, 21 and a half.
21 and a half. Going on 22 next year. Mike, you'll be 68 next year. 62. Or do you mean 628 or 662? The year has gone in fast. The hell? Hey, there's a digger over there, guys. Maybe once I finish the video I'm doing now, I'll go have a look at that, see what's going on. Anyway.
Starting the refurbishment.
As I was saying, where has the year gone? I mean, literally.
Right to my age, mate. It was a lot quicker then. I was 21 last time I looked.
Oh yeah, that's another thing, to be honest. Where's my life gone? Seems like the other day I'm only like getting into YouTube, then I blink and I'm on 1,000 subs. Blink again and now I'm on over 2,000 subscribers. Just amazing. I'm not sure what's happening over there actually, guys.
Some space out start the building.
Yeah, do you think that's what it is? Like, they're preparing for the urban regeneration thing. I'll go,
You do.
I'll go show you the outdoor market in a minute, guys. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video today. Hit the like and hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.